If your AirPods Pro 3 start making a high-pitched squeal or whistling sound, especially when active noise cancellation is turned on, it's usually not a serious defect. In most cases, the noise is caused by acoustic feedback. This happens when sound leaks through a loose ear tip seal and loops back into the microphones, which ANC then amplifies. The good news is you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Important steps. 1. Check your ear tip fit and try a different size to create a tighter airtight seal. 2. Run the ear tip fit test in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings to confirm proper sealing. 3. Clean the ear tips and speaker mesh gently to remove wax or debris that may cause feedback. 4. Toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode to see if the sound stops. 5. Reset your AirPods by placing them in the case, waiting 30 seconds, then holding the setup button until the light flashes amber and white. 6. Make sure your AirPods firmware is up to date through your iPhone settings.